So we are learning about directions. So we learned about 4 main directions. Which are the 4 main directions we learned, children? Yes, they are east. E-A-S-T, east. Then we learned about west, another direction, west. Then north and south, N-O-R-T-H, north. Then south, S-O-U-T-H, south. So east, west, north, south are the 4 main directions. E-A-S-T, east, W-E-S-T, west, N-O-R-T-H, north, S-O-U-T-H, south. We learned about the 4 main directions, isn't it? Yes. Then we learned that map. For reading maps, we need directions. Or directions helps us in finding places, locating places. When you stand in front of the sun, rising sun, the portion you face, that is east direction. The direction you face the sun, it is east. Then behind you, opposite to you is the west. This is left. Left side is the north and right side is the south. That also we learned. In that way, you can find directions easily. So you will do surely this activity at home when you get up early in the morning before going to school, isn't it? Yes. So on map, different directions are marked in different manner. On a map, top point, top means up is always north, down is always south, isn't it? Top is north and bottom is south. North, south. And right side always east and left is west. So on map, the directions are north, south, east, west. Yes. So another directions also you learn, like when you tell your friend about the way to your house. I told you how will you explain? You have to come straight, then you have to turn right, then left. So straight, left, right, up, down. These are also directions, isn't it? Yes. So we use the word left, L-E-F-T, left. Then right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Then up, U-P, up. Then D-O-W-N, down. These are also different directions. We use these words to tell directions. Left, right, up, down. When I ask you to turn left, how will you turn? To the left side. My left side is this. So I will turn like this, left. When I ask you to turn right, then you will turn your right side, isn't it? Yes. Then if I ask you to turn friend, so friend is this side. So you have to turn like this, friend. Yes or no? Yes. Then if I ask you to turn back, then you have to turn your back like this. Then if I ask you to turn right, then right here, then front here, then left here. Like this, isn't it? So left, right, front, back. These are common words we use to tell directions. Left, right, front, back. Then up, down. Then another words that we use is opposite direction, we say. Means facing each other. Directions face to each other, we say it as opposite direction. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E, opposite. Opposite direction. Facing each other. Opposite direction, we say. Opposite. My two palms are facing each other. Means opposite direction, we say. Isn't it? Yes. So direction, we use compass to find directions, an instrument to find direction. It is called compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass is an instrument to find direction. And there are directions marked on the compass. There is a needle on the compass which always point towards which direction? in the compass, needle point towards always the north direction. On the compass, the needle always point towards the north direction. So already in the compass, the directions are marked in the compass. North means N, south means S, east means E, west means W. And the specialty of this instrument is what? The needle always points towards north. So we can find north direction very easily. From that we can find the other directions. If we know one direction, the other directions we can easily find. So earlier in olden days, people use compass to find directions when they go far away, especially in ship and all. When they travel far away from land, in the middle of the sea and all, it is difficult to find direction. Ship should go in the direction, isn't it? So the people use this compass instrument to find the direction, to locate the place. They use compass needle. Compass, actually the needle always point towards the north. So from that easily they can find directions. So which are the four main directions we learned, children? Yes, it is east, west, north and south. Where does the sun rise? Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east, isn't it? Sun rises in east. Sun sets in the, yes, west. Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Next, life skills. Okay, study the map and tick the correct option. So there is an image here, children. So just see the image clearly. Observe the image. Observe the image properly. There, what all images you can see? Yes, you can see a park. Park there. Then you can see a church also. Then there is a hospital. Then there is a police station. Then last you can see a house also. So total 5 images are there in the picture. There are 5 images. You have to study this map, or you have to carefully observe this and tick the correct option. Questions are there. 2 options are there. Which is the correct option? There you have to tick. First one, A. The park is to the left, right of the church. So which is the direction of the park? Park is to the, you see, park and church. They asked park is to the left or right of the church. So park is here, church is here, isn't it? You are on the you are playing in the park. Then just say where is the park, whether it is left of the church or right side of the church. If you are in the park, then church is there on that side, isn't it? Then park is to the which side, left or right? Park is to the dash side of the church. Or imagine you are standing in front of the church and see to which side of yours is the park. You are in the church, and which side you can see the park. Yes, it is on the, if you are in the church, then you are in the church here. So which side of you is the park? Can you tell the answer? Which side you can see the park, whether it is on the left or whether it is on the right? Yes, it is on the left of the church. If you are on the church, then you can see the park left, isn't it? So I am standing here and showing the image, isn't it? So you can see church image and also park image. Another images also. If I ask which side of you, which side of the church is park, then see because I am standing here, to me I can say it is to my right side, but you are facing my opposite direction, isn't it? So you are standing like this. So you are here in the church. So park is to which side of the church? Yes, park is to your This is your left hand, right? So park is to the left side of the church because you are standing in front of the church. In front of the church you are standing and you are seeing the park. So if you are standing in the church, in front of church, then park comes to your left side. Okay? So you have to tick left, L-E-F-T, left. So park is to the left side of the church. Okay, so left. Park is to the left side, L-E-F-T, left. You have to tick left option there. Then B, church is behind, in front of your house. Church. Where is the church? See, here. You are in this house, okay? You are staying in this house. So where is the church now? Church is behind or opposite to your house, or it is in front of your house. That you have to tell. You are standing here in the house. So church is, where church is to the in front or behind. Behind means back. So church is opposite. In front we can say, isn't it? Church is in front of your house. So you have to mark in front, isn't it? Church, house, you can see the gate there. Here there is a gate in the house that you can see in the image, isn't it? Image, you can see house and gate, the way to your house. So stand in front of your house and see where is the church. Where is the church? It is there in front of your house. So you have to tick in front of, in front of, in front, in front, and you have to tick there. Okay, that is B. Third one, the police station is to the left, right of your house. Police station is here, your house is here, isn't it? Yes, so police station is to the dash of your house. It is whether it is left or right. So you are in your house, so police station is right or left? Yes, it is the right side of your house. So you can mark right. Okay, R-I-G-H-T, right, you can mark R-I-G-H-T, right, and you can put a tick there. Right above the word you can put a tick. Then D, the hospital is to the dash of the police station. Where is hospital? Here it is hospital, here it is the police station. So hospital, imagine that you are in the hospital. Hospital is to the dash of the police station. Hospital. Here you are in the hospital, your left is this, right is this. So police station is which side of the hospital? It is to the right side of the hospital. So hospital, police station is right side. But what about the hospital? Hospital is to the dash of the police station. So you have to be in the police station now. So which side of the police station is the hospital? Hospital is the, yes, this side is your left. So hospital is to the left of the police station. You can write, so put a tick above the word left. Then last one, the church is to the left or right of the park. Church, park. So where is the church compared to the park? Where is the church? Just see, imagine you are in the church. Church is to the dash of the park. Church is to the dash side of the park. So where you should be? You should be in the park actually, not in the church. You should be in the park. So where is the church from? Church compared to the park? Church is to the left or right? You are in the park. This is your left side. This is your right side. So church is there on the right side of the park, isn't it? So you have to put a tick above the word right. Understood? So first one is park. The park is to the dash of the church. Park is to the dash of the church. So where is the park? Park is to the You have to compare both park and church, isn't it? Park is to the dash of the church. Park is to the left of the church. Yes. Then church and house. Church and house. The church is dash of your house. Church is dash of your house. The church is, if you are in the church, well, church is then dash of your house. The church is in front of your house, isn't it? Yes. Now next, police station. Police station is to the dash of your house. Police station is to the right of your house, and hospital is to the dash of the police station. Hospital is to the left of the police station. Then church. Last one is church. Church is to the dash of the park. Church is to the right side of the park, isn't it? You have to be where they have asked you to compare the two places. One place you imagine you are there and you have to compare which direction it is, left or right. Okay, children?